Oppo just dropped a monster in mid-range smartphones, the Oppo K13 Turbo. And with a name like Turbo, this phone really does pack serious performance. Let's break it down. First, the design. At just 7.3 millimeters thin and weighing 207 grams, Oppo even added IPX8 and IPX9 water resistance, meaning it can survive heavy water jets and even full submersion up to 2 meters. On top of that, it's got a built-in cooling fan, something you usually see on gaming phones. The display is where Oppo steps things up. You're getting a 6.8 AMOLED panel with 1 billion colors, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1600 nits peak brightness. Resolution is an impressive 1280 by 2800 pixels, giving you 453 pixels per inch. So everything looks razor sharp whether you're gaming or streaming. Now under the hood, the K13 Turbo is powered by the new Dimensity 8450 chipset built on 4nm architecture. Paired with the Mali G720 GPU, it's built for speed and efficiency. RAM options go as high as 16 GB, and storage maxes out at 512 GB UFS 3.1. With that combo, you're looking at flagship-level multitasking and gaming performance. Cameras are more on the practical side. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel wide main sensor with PDAF alongside a secondary 2-megapixel lens. Video recording supports 4K at 60 FPS. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera, good enough for clear social content with 1080p video support. Audio is handled by stereo speakers, and while there's no headphone jack, Oppo compensates with high-res audio codecs like aptX HD and LHDC5 over Bluetooth. Connectivity is fully loaded. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared blaster, and 5G support all included. Now let's talk about that insane 7000 mAh battery. Charging speeds are equally impressive. You get 80-watt wired charging, plus compatibility with 44W UFCS, 33W PS, and even reverse wired charging. That means this phone can also act as a power bank for your other devices. The Oppo K13 Turbo comes in 3 sleek colors: Purple Phantom, Midnight Maverick, and White Knight, with a price starting around 27,799 rupees. So, who's this phone really for? If you want a device with flagship-level performance, a massive battery, premium display, and even gamer-style cooling without paying flagship prices, the Oppo K13 Turbo is a serious contender in 2025. But what do you think? Would you carry a phone this big for that 7000 mAh power? Or is slimmer always better? Let me know in the comments.